Hi guys, this is my first video and my name is Mena and I, so let's get going with the slime. So first, this purple one is really cute and it's when you put it down and when you like put your fingers in it, it makes noise. And now let's go with the green one. So this green one is really green, and it's made out of lots of paints. And it's really stretchy. And let's go with the pink one.
Girls, you want to get going?
Yeah, this is kind of hard, and it's made out of shaving cream. So, yes, and it's really stretchy. Yeah, so let's go. Let's go with the slime that's mine, and it's a purple one, and it's really stretchy. Bye guys, peace out.